What makes a man fall in love with women? When a man loves a woman, there are many things that make them feel a strong emotional bond. It might be various things that men can seek in women. Among many things. Here are some reasons why a man might fall in love with a woman. So, let's get started. 1. Genuine connection. Making a strong emotional bond is important for loving someone deeply. If a man feels a strong connection with a woman and can talk openly about their thoughts and feelings, they become close and can trust each other. 2. Compatibility. Getting along well with each other is important when love is involved. When a man meets a woman who has the same beliefs, hobbies, and future plans, it helps them connect and build a strong relationship. 3. Emotional support. Men like it when women give them support for their feelings. When a woman pays close attention, shows empathy, and helps during difficult situations, it makes the relationship stronger and makes people feel safe. 4. Appreciation and acceptance. It is very important for men to feel valued and accepted for who they are. When a woman appreciates a man's good points and accepts his flaws, it makes him feel better about himself and strengthens their love and bond. 5. Mutual respect. Mutual respect means showing kindness and consideration to each other. It's important in a good and caring relationship. When a woman shows she values a man's ideas, limits, and decisions, it helps them have a fair and respectful relationship. This can make their emotional connection stronger. 6. Physical attraction. When a man is attracted to a woman because of her appearance, this is called physical attraction. It's actually an important thing and plays a vital role. Having a real physical connection can make people feel closer emotionally and help them fall in love, although it's not the only thing that matters. 7. Supportive and encouraging nature. Men like women who cheer them on and give them a push to chase their goals and aspirations. When a woman thinks a man is good at something and supports him, it makes him feel motivated and wants to do better. 8. Sense of fun and adventure. It's important for couples to have fun and enjoy adventure together. Guys like girls who are up for trying new things and having fun adventures. It makes good memories and makes them happy. 9. Intellectual stimulation. Men appreciate being intellectually stimulated and finding a partner who shares their interests. Talking about interesting things, exchanging thoughts, and testing each other's intelligence can establish a strong and exciting relationship that strengthens the love between a man and a woman. 10. Unconditional love. Unconditional love is a strong feeling that can make a person love someone very much. When a woman loves a man with no limitations, she accepts him for who he is without any negative thoughts or requirements. This makes him feel safe, open, and deeply connected to her emotionally. It's important to remember that everyone in every relationship is different, so what applies to one man may not apply to all of them. Love is a personal and complicated feeling that changes based on what you like, your past, and what's going on around you. To have a relationship that lasts, it's important to understand and respect each other, talk openly, and take care of the relationship. Thank you for watching.